There are 3 central problems stopping you from becoming a Welsh speaker. In this short video series, you'll discover 3 unusual but effective techniques to solve them for you, so that you can experience the enormous pleasure of becoming a confident Welsh speaker. Problem 1. Confident speaking. When you can't speak confidently, you get caught in a horrible, vicious circle. You take a long time to say what you want to say, and you feel embarrassed about making other people wait, and you worry that you're boring them. Then you feel more and more awkward about using your Welsh, so you use it less and less, and then of course you only improve very slowly. It can be so disheartening that you actually get stuck and give up altogether. Now, when you speak confidently, not when you're fluent, but when you can say what you know how to say, confidently and quickly, it works the other way round. You get pleasure from saying things successfully, you get pleasure from how impressed other people are with your Welsh, so you get yourself into more and more Welsh conversations, you improve faster and faster, and eventually it starts to feel easy. The key difference between people who can't speak confidently and people who can is a very particular kind of practice. It's a kind of practice that I make people do on our intensive and expensive 5 or 10 day courses when I see that they need it. If you do this practice, you will become a more confident speaker. So, here's what you need to do. Take about 10 ways to start a sentence. You might choose I want, I need to, I'm trying to, I'm going to, I can't, I've just started, I've forgotten, I wanted, I was trying, I'd like to, for example. Then, once a day, say one sentence out loud in Welsh for each of those starting points. It will feel tough at first, and it might take you 10 minutes or even more, because this is one of your weak points, or you'd already be able to speak confidently. But if you commit to doing it every day, you'll get faster and faster, and you'll find yourself building longer and longer sentences. It will start to feel like fun. Once those 10 feel too easy, add another 10. And then when all 20 feel too easy, add one final set of 10. By the time you can roll through 30 sentences from 30 different starting points quickly and easily, people will already be complimenting you on the improvement in your spoken Welsh. If you'd like help choosing the extra 20 starting points after the first 10 I've just suggested, then come along to our forum at forum.saysomethingin.com or drop me a line at admin@saysomethingin.com. In my next video, I'll show you an equally effective way to solve one of the biggest problems for every Welsh learner: understanding what people are saying when they talk Welsh to you.